So welcome back to my channel. Yes, I know I'm looking crazy, but I want to go ahead and install the most natural looking wig ever. Yes, this wig that I'm wearing right here. This is the Pre-Plug 360 Kinky Straight Indian hair from RPG Wig. And yeah, it's 18 inches long. The density, it's going to be in the description box and all the other specifications. Yeah, as I said, it's a 360 wig, and as you can see, I am going to try out on this new technique that I mentioned in my previous video again, and I'm also going to try out the glue again. I'm going to use the lace super bond glue from Trina the Dreamweaver again. And the last video I said it would be better if I had done the ball cap method, which I'm not doing the ball cap method again, but I will be layering the glue today to see how well it holds up, because I really want this to work the way I want it to. So that's what I'm gonna do, because I want to wear this wig for a couple days anyways. So I'm going to just get started. I'm going to pull back everything. So I feel like the fact that I have, so what I'm gonna do though is I'm going to measure up. I already cut away the ear portion, like the excess lace on the ear portion, but I want to measure up where I want the hairline to lay. So I feel like I'm going to mark it out. I know exactly where to place the glue, you know. So first, before I do that though, I'm going to wipe away my forehead to ensure that, you know, there's no form of product there or anything to hinder how well the glue sticks. I'm gonna rub away my forehead area. I already tucked away my edges. So remember never to apply the glue to your edges, never directly to your edges, always in front of it.
Wouldn't give you pleasure, searching for your treasure. I can be you, everything you want.
You know, you can only get better at these stuff if you practice, and that's exactly what I'm doing. So as I said before, this glue you need to be careful with. It can become a bit messy.
I know how to treat you right. Just tell me yes, I'll be all you want. Girl, just come on over, spend.
Before I go on to the second layer, I'm actually going to kind of get this tacky, very, very tacky, and then move on to the next layer. Oh wow, that's pretty tacky. All right, next layer. So as I said, I'm attempting to do 3 layers of the glue.
I'll forgive your everything. Baby girl, come over. Wanna be your lover. Got some things to show you. Got some things to show you. Wouldn't give you pleasure, searching for your treasure. I can be you, everything you want. I can be you, I can be you.
I know you guys saw that I did 3 layers. So now it's time, which I'm nervous, to pull over this on my hairline. I'm gonna stick down the center portion first. Oh, the hold on that is insane. Guys, look at that. That is not even slipping. It's such a strong hold. All right, so it's kind of accelerate everything. I'm going to blow dry it. It's definitely stronger than the other day. It feels way stronger than the other day when I first applied it. Now it's tacky. On the bottle it does says takes up to 24 hours to fully dry. Now my only issue is I hope that when it is like after the 24 hours, because with the one layer, like it wouldn't look this glossy, but hopefully when it like completely dries, like it doesn't remain this glossy. My gosh, that measuring thing that I just did definitely helped.
Tonight I'll be your preacher, baby. You give me your undivided.
I feel as if I want to do a center part, a side part, and not a center part today. Just because I've been doing a lot of center parts since lately.
All you gotta do, baby, is come over. Wanna be your lover. Got some things to show you. Got some things to show you. Wouldn't give you pleasure. Searching for your treasure. I can be you, everything you want. I can be you. I can be you. I can be you. I know how to treat you right. Just tell me yes, tell me yes.
It's the next day. This is how everything is looking. The only thing I realized is that, like, because of the layering, I have a bit of texture in the front. I'm not sure you guys can see it. It's not that vivid, but like if you get up close, you can see it a bit. Like kind of gunky. That's the only drawback, but right now, I'm not gonna lie, I feel like getting the hang of it and like using it more and practicing, it can come out really flawless. Like, I really love how well it's laying. Like, my lace is absolutely melted more than if I was supposed to use Got To Be. Like, Got To Be, you know, have to kind of, you know, work overtime. Like this, the lace is so melted into the skin. I still don't know how I'm gonna style my hair. So you saw that I put it in these braids, slept overnight on it. Wanted to give it a bit of that like crimp effect. You know, that wavy crimpy. I don't know. My next option though, for if this didn't work out, was to kind of give it some light wand waves. This is so nice, and you can pull back your hair so tight without worrying about the lace lifting up.
I can tell that you love me by the way you're looking at me. Girl, the feeling is mutual. I love you the same way, and I love you.
Like, I didn't do the most perfect ponytail. As you can see, it's kind of messy, but I'm gonna rock with it. I'm gonna give the hair some light waves because I think I needed to have braided the hair a bit tighter.
Want me, baby girl, come over. Wanna be your lover. Got some things to show you. Got some things to show you. Wouldn't give you pleasure. Searching for your treasure. I can be you. I can be you. Everything you want. I can be you.
Guys, so this is pretty nice. It's like, it has a little messy vibe to it, which I don't mind. It makes everything look even more natural. Most natural wig ever. Okay, all right, I'm going to go ahead and put the direct link to this wig down below in my description box, so you guys can go ahead and check it out, purchase it if you're interested, or any other wig that I've ever worn. They'll all be on my personalized RPG hair page. You can go ahead and just, you know, check that out, support your girl. Don't forget to use my discount code SUE15 and PETITE-10 for discount as long as your order is over $100 US. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna have this wig on for the next couple of days, but I really love this look. It's so nice, so natural. Yeah.
just know that I want you, same way you want me. Baby girl, come over, wanna be your lover. Got some things to show you, got some things to show you. Wouldn't